guys, how are you? Craig back again, just in preparation, travelling up the north coast. As you can see, ready to go, car's fully loaded, food's in, boat's on. Haven't had the boat out in a while, so we'll go up to, probably going to head up to Southwest Rocks, night or two there, and then a couple of other nights. So just got to stop, grab some fuel. Pretty much all ready to go. Alright, so as I just said, car's fully loaded, got stuff everywhere. Canopy's loaded. Just going to head up the coast through Raymond Terrace. Probably going to stop off at King's. I've got some stuff on order up there. I just want to see if it's come in. Other than that, nice casual drive. 3.5 hours from Newcastle up to Southwest Rocks. A night up there. Not sure exactly where I'm going to stay at this point. From there, head up a little bit further north. Find a couple of free camps if I can. Southwest Rocks is a little bit expensive. National Park for unpowered. Last time I stayed there it was about $40 for an unpowered site per night, which is a little bit rich for a national park. And then I think the actual caravan park itself charges the same, so we'll toss up which way I'll go. Got some friends up there, I'll call in and say hello to them, and then we will see what the weather's like up there, what the water's like. Get the boat out, hopefully. Got some new lures this morning, so yeah, happy days. Let's go. There are surfers down there. Probably won't be able to see them on the GoPro. Great little beach. That's looking north back towards Southwest Rocks. Back up towards the lighthouse. We'll go up there for a look. It's Smoky Cape Lighthouse. There guys, Smoky Cape Lighthouse. A little bit of a read there, also put a photo in. What a great day. Here, there's a strong breeze up here. So we'll look back along the coast towards Southwest Rocks. Not sure we'll be able to see much from here. But Southwest Rocks is around that first headland. And again, looking south down, guessing back down towards Port Macquarie. Not exactly sure how far Port Macquarie is away from here. I think it's about 70 or 80 k's from memory. But what a spectacular coastline, great beach. So there you go, Smoky Cape Lighthouse at Hat Head National Park, just south of Southwest Rocks. See a bit of footage earlier at Southwest Rocks at Trial Bay. Hope you enjoy. Have a look at this guys. So they've also got B&B cottages here. If you're lucky you can stay in one. Get a little guest as well.